Ningbo Shanhuang Electrical Appliance Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of aroma diffuser, LED candle, automatic soap dispenser, LED lights. We are located in Nilkai, Ningbo, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure fulfill customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, small MOQ, fast delivery, quality products, and competitive prices. In addition, we have obtained BSCI, CE, ROSE, CB, SCCP, PAHS, FCC, BPA-free certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in many countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or any artworks for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your enquiries soon.